Pizza grilling stones are a must-have for any pizza lover who wants to achieve that perfect crispy crust. There are many products available to choose pizza grilling stones, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pizza grilling stones from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 4PCS Rectangle Pizza Stone Set. This 4-piece pizza stone set includes a 15 by 12-inch rectangle pizza stone made of all-natural FDA-safe cordierite stone, an oak solid wood pizza paddle, steel pizza cutter, and 10 pieces of kitchen parchment paper. The pizza stone is heat-safe up to 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit and distributes heat evenly for optimal cooking. The oak pizza peel is durable and less prone to cracking, and the tapered half-inch blade is designed to easily slide under food. This multi-purpose set is perfect for baking pizzas, flatbreads, scones, biscuits, and more. Cleaning is easy with warm water and a brush, and stains are normal and won't affect the stone's performance. Number 2. Pizza Stone for Oven Set, 15-inch Pizza Stone for Grill. The pizza stone with wooden pizza peel and cutter set allows you to make crispy crust pizza in the comfort of your own home by turning your oven or barbecue into a pizza oven. The set includes a 15-inch cordierite stone, detachable carrying tray, acacia wood pizza spatula, stainless steel slicer knife with cover and bamboo handle, and instructions for best use. The baking stone doubles as a non-stick pan baking sheet for baking bread, biscuits, cookies, or heating pizza pockets. The pizza peel is multifunctional and doubles as a cutting board, serving tray, or charcuterie board. It is a perfect gift for any foodie, baker, grill master, or aspiring chef. Number 3. Pizza Stone for Oven, Grill, Barbecue. The Cucinapro Pizza Stone is a professional-grade baking stone designed to give you the taste and texture of brick oven cooking. Made of a highly absorbent porous material, this stone is perfect for both oven and grill use. As you use it more and more, the stone will season itself, enhancing the flavor of your pizzas. The extra thick and large 16.5-inch round stone provides safe and even heating, resulting in a crispy crust every time. Cleaning is a breeze with this stone. Simply scrape it clean and let it dry. With its 5/8-inch thickness, you won't have to worry about breakage. Experience the joy of homemade pizzas with a Cucinapro stone. Number 4. Weber Gourmet Barbecue System Pizza Stone. The Weber Gourmet Barbecue System Pizza Stone with carry rack is a cordierite stone that absorbs moisture, resulting in light and crispy thin crust pizza. The carry rack makes transporting the pizza quick and easy. It fits into the Gourmet Barbecue System cooking grate, ensuring it stays in place while grilling. Enjoy the taste of a crispy pizza with perfectly melted cheese and grilled toppings. Number 5. NoWave Heavy-Duty Cordierite Pizza and Baking Stone. The NoWave Pizza Stone is a premium quality cooking stone that is perfect for making crispy crust pizzas. Made from 100% all-natural FDA-safe durable cordierite, this 11.5-inch wide and 0.4 thick stone can accommodate most store-bought frozen pizzas and homemade pizza dough. Its superior heat retention and distribution, withstanding temperatures up to 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures even cooking and a professional quality crust. Not only is this stone resistant to cracking, but it is also easy to clean with a damp cloth or brush. In addition to pizza, the smooth surface of the NoWave Pizza Stone is ideal for baking a variety of other foods such as bread, cookies, pies, muffins, quesadillas, calzones, and even grilling.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.